Here's another example. And here we have to simplify 4 divided by one whole number, 1/2. Solution. Now we write the whole number as a fraction, and that will be 4/1 divided by, now we write this mixed number as a fraction. Converting into improper fraction, we will have 2 times 1 plus 1/2. And this gives us 4/1 divided by, now 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1, and then we have 3. So 3/2. Now we have to change this division sign to the multiplication sign. So we'll then have 4/1 multiplied by, and then we flip the second fraction to have 2/3. And what this gives us is we have to multiply the numerator, which is 4 times 2, and then we multiply the denominator, 1 times 3. And 4 multiplied by 2 gives us 8, and 1 multiplied by 3 gives us 3, which is an improper fraction. We then go on to convert this to a mixed fraction. And 3 would go in 8 twice, so giving us 2 whole number. And our remainder there is 2. So 2 whole number, 2/3. And that's the solution to the problem. Thank you.